Hello. The purpose of this video is to go over the Canvas and MyLab and Mastering MyMathLab within the Canvas system. So if you click on the current student link, the UMKC's homepage, and you scroll down to the middle of the page, you'll see the link to Canvas. If you click on that link, it'll give you an option to sign in to either Canvas or Blackboard. And you want to click on the Canvas link and then put in your single sign-on and your password, and that will take you into your Canvas system. Then you'll click on Math 206. Canvas is relatively new to UMKC, so if you don't have a lot of experience with it, that's okay. It's a pretty user-friendly system. Module 1 is just the welcome module you'll see here. You'll find the link to these videos if you want to rewatch them at any time. You'll be able to download and print course documents, the syllabus, and the checklist. Something I didn't go over before is this checklist. You can download it and save it to your desktop. You can print it off here. And this comes in very handy. I print it off and I kind of check through it as I go. If I know I'm going to have a busy week coming up, I might want to work ahead and kind of check those off, and you'll have the ability to do that. So any updated versions of things will be on this Module 1. So if you go to the checklist, you'll see the assignments for week 1, and the assignments for each week will be due the next Tuesday of that. So hopefully it gives you time to work on it and then reach out to any of the resources available either online or on campus to get that done by that Tuesday. Piazza message board will be what we're going to be using this semester, and it's integrated into Canvas. So I've signed in. It's pretty user-friendly. You put your name in it, you can create your password, and then it will remember who you are. So the first thing you want to do is make an introduction post, and you can read my introduction post here. And I just want to kind of show you, when you create a post, you can tag it to any of the homework, quizzes, exams that are there if you're having MyMathLab issues, or if you want to do your introduction. A summary, so this is, question 5 on homework 1.5 or something like that. You can take a screenshot, since majority of our homework will be online in the virtual MyMathLab and Mastering. You can take a screenshot and insert that. So if you save your image and then you can insert it there, you can upload it. You can type, if you want to type out your math problem that you're having, you can use the LaTeX equation editor here, and that's very simple to use, and you can insert that there. And then you can post your question. You can show your name or you can be anonymous. I will be able to see your name, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you don't want your fellow students to know you asked this question, you can be anonymous. So that's the Piazza message board. The other thing that we're going to be using this semester is the MyLab and Mastering. So if you haven't clicked on this, you will click on it, and you have 14-day free trial from the first day you click on it. So if you click on it now, and in 14 days your free trial will expire, and you'll have to enter your access code that you purchased at the bookstore or online through Canvas. So you'll have various different links here. I personally just like going to the home page, so you'll have to enter your information the first time you've done it. There is no course ID here because it's integrated through Canvas. So it's a little different because I'm in the student's view and it thinks that I'm a student, but you should be able to go through that without issue. So this course will be open in a few days, and I will have it able to register. So if you're seeing this, it's because the course hasn't started, but you'll go through and be able to put in your Pearson login. You only have to do that once. Please be careful to use the exact name that shows up at UMKC. So please use your first name and your last name that is on record at UMKC. And this is the MyMathLab system, which all your homework, quizzes and exams will be given within. So you can see what to work on in the weeks. If you go to assignments, you can click on all the assignments that are available and their due dates. Of course, don't worry about the past due because it will be for this semester. So if you click on an assignment, you'll see that the questions are grayed out. You have to click on the media first, so you get a point for doing that. These are just the videos of the introduction to whatever we're going over. So if you click on that, you should see, okay, this is, limits, a graphical representation of it. And then these are the book publishers videos. You can increase the speed, you can have closed caption, you can find the information here and what it covers there. Some of them are a little drier than others, but overall it's good information and it sets you through there. So that gives you, once you click on this, and once you open them and watch them, then you'll have the access to the videos and the homework. Within the homework, you'll see some of them are multiple choice, some of them, okay, I want to go back and watch those videos again, or maybe I have questions. You'll have a variety of different things that's possible here. Link to textbook, help me solve it, see an example, just depending on the question that's available. Here's an example of view an example. If you view an example, you can go through and see how this example works. And then you close it and you're able to, work on this problem. The information about how many attempts and various different things are listed above. If you're working on a homework after the due date, you will see your scores here are in red. So the penalty that's there. If you have any questions on any of that, please let me know. And if you've used this homework system before, then it should be pretty straightforward. Chapter contents, if you want to access your ebook, you can look at them through the multimedia e-text, which would link you to the book. It's going to take a minute to load that. Another thing I want to show you is the multimedia library. So if you click on multimedia library within the MyMathLab, you're able to see, okay, I want to look at all the stuff that's available for 1.1. And you can see the animations, there's figures, there's PowerPoints, there's textbooks, and then the videos here. There might be examples. This is the introductory video that is on your homework, but then there might also be other examples. So the animations can be somewhat beneficial sometimes in visualizing what's going on. So
to demonstrate how the definition of limit works, we begin with a graph of a function f and a number.
And you can go through it
to
and
determine
it kind of gives
delta,
you
move A or B.
a visualization of it. So you can look at them for all sections and you can find all the information for a chapter. So in chapter 1, differentiation, chapter 2, applications of it. So you can find related rates, maximization, and these animations might also be on that home button within a homework assignment. Try not to be too reliant on that kind of stuff though, because on your quizzes and exams you won't have any help. So hopefully I have it set up in a way that you guys can work through the material and feel confident in doing so. If you guys have any questions that come up, please let me know. I'm here to support you and give you the tools you need to be successful in this course. I wish everyone the best of luck.